You say Google is not the ultimate search engine. Can you say what is the ultimate search engine?
Well, one that understands human language and that returns reliable results with the most relevant first. For sure, one that is not dependent on keywords and that answers your question whether or not the target information contains the words you use in your search.
You mean it is not taking your search word and returns all information that exactly matches this word?
Humans think and speak in concepts and not in keywords. And that is what Pantros does. Pantros understands human language. It understands and searches concepts. And it returns everything that matches or that is similar to the concept in the search, perfectly relevancy ranked based on the meaning of the information. And even if the information contains entirely new words, the system by itself learns the meaning as it understands how the new term is used within the context. And this allows the system to always return the most relevant information, including the newest sites or content. So it returns and shows the most up-to-date internet, not the most popular. How many frustration do we feel every day with today's internet search engines? Many highly relevant sites are returned several pages down, not with adequate ranking, and overseen or time-consuming to find. Yes, we receive words that perfectly match our search term, but with partly totally irrelevant information. In particular, we miss information if the site does not match a search term or if it doesn't follow Google's algorithm of how to become more relevant. Algorithms that actually match the revenue interest and model of the search engine provider, but that does not meet the real interest of the information to the user. So Google deciding what you see on the web is an alarming move away from the original idea of the internet.
What is the problem with site ranking based on the number of links?
Well, the most popular information is not necessarily the most relevant. Means that the current measurement of site importance based on counting the number of pages which are linked to it, or the frequency of how many users click these pages, is misleading and does not meet the interest of the user.
Does the Pantros search engine provide any economic advantage?
Well, how many searches do you conduct all the while redefining your search term in order to hit the target? Now, take a company with several hundred employees that spend significant time searching the web. So all they're doing is they Google away an incredible amount of time and money.
You say the ultimate search engine understands the human language and the content of the web. Sounds great. Why is it not yet available?
Well, it is available. It's just not yet applied to the internet. Pantros is used by numerous Fortune 100 companies and global market leaders. But now we will apply this business-proven search system to the internet for the benefits of all users. This will turn the internet into an intelligent platform understanding of what has been said. Means that this is a realization of the so long discussed and long anticipated Web 3.0. It took us several years to develop this kind of technology, and we have launched a bit over 2 years ago. And in 18 months, we will return the internet to the user.
Can you provide a search sample to compare a keyword search with the Pantros concept search?
Well, looking for a romantic beach hotel off the beaten track, for example, you want the search engine to understand your thought and to deliver all places that match or that are similar, ranked by relevancy of that thought. So this is Pantros. You do not want to try several keywords and phrases and then go through all the result pages of hotels that paid sufficient advertising to get a better placement or that have been clicked the most by mass tourists, but that are for sure not lonely and romantic. So this is searching today still.
So technically, what is it that makes Pantros unique and that enables Pantros to do this in contrast to all others?
Well, the main challenge is to build a system that automatically understands and learns the meaning of text without the need for manual dictionary of terms or synonyms or preset rules. Yes, you can build such a system for a small data set and manually provide these dictionaries and rules, but there's just no way to apply it to constantly changing and large volumes of content such as patents, social media, or the internet, and then to manually adjust and maintain the dictionaries or to readjust the entire system for every new word which is used in information. So here everyone has failed so far. Pantros understood the methodology of how to teach the system to learn by itself and how to apply the technology to very large and basically unlimited volumes of constantly changing content. Even if somebody finds out how to master the methodology, he then has to teach the knowledge, means the actual understanding of language. And this is what Pantros has done over the last 8 years. With the extensive word mappings the company has conducted, it actually owns the semantic dictionary of all human life. Means that the system understands what humans do and what they talk about. And all this allows us to apply Pantros to the internet, and this way we return the internet to the user, and the user sends Google the Lycos way.
Don't Google your time away.